Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send money from PayPal to GCash. It is important to note that direct transfers require a minimum of 500 Philippine pesos. You cannot send amounts below this threshold directly. The process involves securely linking your PayPal account to your GCash wallet, ensuring both are fully verified. This method provides a straightforward and efficient way to manage your funds between these two popular platforms. To begin, open your GCash app and navigate to the Profile section, then select My Linked Accounts. Choose PayPal from the options presented. You will then enter your PayPal email address and proceed to authorize the connection by logging into your PayPal account. Remember, using identical names and email addresses for both accounts is crucial for a smooth and successful link. Once your accounts are linked, open the GCash app and tap Cash In. Select PayPal from the Global Partners and Remittance category. You will then enter the amount you wish to transfer, remembering the minimum of 500 pesos. Review the details carefully and confirm the transaction. Most transfers are processed instantly, allowing you quick access to your funds. When transferring Philippine peso balances, there are typically no fees involved. However, if you are converting foreign currency, PayPal may apply a currency conversion fee, usually around 3 to 4%. Always check the exchange rate before confirming. The maximum amount you can cash in per transaction is 100,000 Philippine pesos, ensuring large transfers are also possible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.